Father, unsang Miyerkules sa Badlis. Nganong sugdan man ang Kwaresma pinaagi sa pagpahid ug abo sa agtang.
Father, nganong abo man ang gamiton, kinsa pod ang angay mo bendisyon ana bago gamiton.
Kining Miyerkules sa abo, no, sa Bisaya, sa adto na punta sa simbahan. What is now being emphasized by this day? Pinapaalala sa atin ang totoo nating dignidad as a disciple of Jesus. And what is our true dignity? We have to intensify our relationship with Jesus. As a disciple, we are related to Him. We are sons and daughters of God. As Wednesday marks the beginning, and it will supposedly mark as well our activities of prayer, fasting, and almsgiving. Ang abo in the Old Testament is a symbol of pagluluksa, no? Yung namatayan. No? Remember David, no? Nang namatay ang iyang anak kay Bathsheba, no? Nilagyan ng abo ang kanyang ulo. No? Pagluluksa, pagkakamatay, no? At pagpenitensya. No? And that's why you heard so many stories in the Old Testament. One, that of David. You can think as well of Job during this time. No? Job, when everything was taken away, what he did, no? He put on ashes on his forehead. He put on sackcloth, no? As a sign of maybe not of protest, but of penitence, because he cannot understand, no? Kung nga nung nagkatabo ni siyang kinabuhi. We heard of the story of the city of Nineveh. Remember Jonah as well this time. No? Narinig nila yung mga pinagsasabi ni Jonas. Kailangan nilang magbago at na they realize kaano sila kamakasalanan. No? What they did, no? When they realized they are sinful, again, they put on ashes. They put on sackcloth. No? If we therefore put on that on our forehead, we signal to ourselves, now I have to see and to realize not only I am mortal, I am sinful. So much that I have done that I do not merit the mercy and love of God. No? I am doomed for punishment. I am doomed to die. Only then that I ask for forgiveness. Ngayo kong patawad sa Diyos, magpenitensya ko, so that I will die to sin, die from all my attachments, my pleasures, so that I could regain the mercy and forgiveness of God.
Father, asa gikan ng abo?
Kanang abo nga ginagamit o ginabindisinan sa pari, and remember, pari lang makabindisyon sa abo, which he will bless on that day as Wednesday or a day before that. Usually during the Mass, he would bless the ashes. Mao tong mga palaspas nga gigamit natong the other year nga Palm Sunday, no, sa linggo ng palaspas. Usually may mga sobra na dira sa gidecorate sa simbahan which were blessed as well. Those will be gathered and then they will be blessed, and those will be used as a sign of our penitence in this season of Lent.
Father, kano sa ba dapat ibutang ang abo sa agtang?
That's after the homily. The priest will impose ashes on the foreheads, and he says, turn away from sin and believe the gospel. Or sometimes alternately, priest would say, remember you are from dust, and to dust you shall return. We ask our faithful, and those are especially religious, if not religious, the lay, extraordinary ministers, laiko, o kung kulang pagyod, we ask ordinary, lay faithful, those who have good standing in the community to help in putting ashes on the foreheads. No? So we allow and we ask the help of the faithful on that day. May ara gani nga okasyon nga adtong mga di makaadto sa simbahan, no? We do common putting on of ashes by first with the celebration of the liturgy of the word, no? And it can be done in proper places according to the designation, I think, of the parish priest as agreed by the presbyterium. normally, it should be within the Mass, inside the Mass. No? Normally, no? Meaning you have to attend the Mass. No? That's why know the schedules of your Masses on that day. No? Kung kanusama na siya. Usually morning, tumadagkong parokya, they have noon time. Other parishes na po afternoon Masses. If di gid ka maka-attend, there are circumstances that the parish or the parish priest would allow the celebration of the word before the imposition of the ashes. No? Bago ka badlisan na ay celebration of the word. No? That's why we discourage sa itong mga tao, murag ilang paminaw, no? Aron to oblige lang, no? Maadto lang dito, magpangayog, abo, no? Magpapalhit lang sa ilang agtang. No? We want them to feel, no? This is the celebration of the church. This is not a fanatical action for those who think that they would enter heaven by having badlis sa ilang ulo.
Bakit kaya cross at saka ash ang dinalagay sa forehead? At bakit nga sa forehead nilalagay?
Ano pa nga
At saka yung sinasabi.
Oo,
may sinasabi dun eh.
Oo, may sinasabi. Ano yung sinasabi ng pare?
The first one emphasizes, of course, our mortality. You are from dust, and to dust you shall return. And because we are mortal, bilang tao, no, mamatay ta, part of our being tao is our weaknesses, no? Kasalanan natin. Therefore, implied behind that are the sins we have committed. Therefore, the priest is also saying, turn away from sin. No? This is an important remembrance. We are not immortals. We are mortals. We will die. And suppose, not only that we will die, that's the vanity of human person when he thinks he is immortal. We will return to dust. But we are not hopeless. E di ang tamamatay, kay bangod sa atong pagtuo, we will return to God. And how can we return to God? We have to make sure that Jesus is the center of our life. The second, walay ubang paagi, no? Mga buhi bilang Kristiyano. But this one, our sure guide to live as a Christian is the gospel or the gospels. No? Believe the gospel. Listen to the gospel. Listen to the word of Christ. Accept it in this year of faith. No? Accept it. Understand it. Entrust yourselves to God, your life to God, and obey His commands.
Pag-ibig sa ating kapwa-tao.
We are very much encouraged. Go, no? Be. Unless you have dakong rason, dahilan, anong dili makaadto, then we understand. But if you are naman, wa may gibuhat, or you have time man, please go, no? And celebrate with the church. Feel your belonging. No? This is not only sa imong parokya, this is the diocese. This is the universal church. Proclaiming and celebrating, starting the season of Lent. There is no way to feel that you are Catholic than to celebrate with all the Catholic community.